Greetings and welcome back to our channel, wonderful people. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our awesome content. For our returning champions, thank you for your continued support. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to transition out of a full-time career. It's a big step, but trust me, it's totally doable. So, let's get started. Alright, so let's talk about why some of the most successful members inside Fully Booked VA are career changers. These are people who have realized that working for someone else just isn't cutting it anymore. They crave control, freedom, and the potential for limitless growth. Sound familiar? Imagine showing up to a job every day that doesn't excite you. The discomfort and dissatisfaction can be unbearable. That's why many people decide to step out of their comfort zones and bet on themselves. They understand that providing services remotely as a freelancer or independent contractor is a proven business model. But here's the million-dollar question: how do you do this on the side of a full-time job? Fully Booked VA goes into this in detail in their foundational course, VA Foundations. And folks, let me tell you, it's all about intention and strategy. Just like Sandy. Sandy's success story. Sandy spent over 20 years in the corporate world. Around year 10, she started dreaming about having her own business. Life happened, as it does, and it took her a few more years to find the right opportunity. But once she found Fully Booked VA, she was off to the races. 3 years later, Sandy has a full roster of clients and has replaced her full-time corporate income. She's even planning to pivot her business and aims for 6 figures next. Talk about goals, right? Sandy's journey shows that with the right preparation, finding clients, and serving them well, you can make this transition. Fully Booked VA's team helped her build her business and gain the confidence to take it to the next level. Now, I know what you're thinking: how can I transition out of my job without losing income? It's a burning question, and Stephanie, the mastermind behind Fully Booked VA, created a short video to answer just that. Check the links in our description below to watch it. It's tough to get moving when you don't know if things will work out. But once you take that first step, things start to fall into place. You find a way, just like thousands of Fully Booked VA members have. It's all about believing in yourself and committing to your path. The reality is, you can earn back your investment with just one client or project. Plus, with a 6-month money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Everything, including your freedom and improved quality of life, is up for grabs. I believe in you, and I know you can do this. Let's talk about Essie. Before she joined FBVA, she felt stuck. She wanted to start her own business while being available for her young kids. Sounds like a lot, right? But then she found Fully Booked Virginia. Essie's transformative journey. From the beginning, the FBVA team was supportive and committed to her success. With their compassion, encouragement, and knowledge, Essie started her own successful VA business. Now, she helps business owners pursue their dreams while living hers. Essie's story is a testament to the power of dreaming again and believing in yourself. The FBVA team helped her through the toughest part, getting started. And now, she's running her VA business, working with incredible clients on exciting projects. Essie says enrolling in FBVA was one of the best decisions and investments she's ever made. And it could be for you too. So, if you're feeling stuck or unfulfilled in your current career, remember that there's a way out. Check the links in our description below to access all the resources mentioned in this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And by the way, just in case no one has told you yet today, have a fantastic day. Thanks for your support.